Pay attention to quick welding techniques for large gap-thin plates in a vertical position. This is a 1 mm thick iron pipe. Let's start with a tack weld. Leave a gap of 10 mm. Welding large gap-thin plates is usually challenging, especially for beginners, especially in vertical position. Welding becomes even harder. Like this. Using this method slows down work. Is there a faster way? This episode introduces a method to improve efficiency in such cases. No detailed explanation here, please watch carefully. Has your work efficiency improved? As the saying goes, welding methods aren't always the right answer, but it's one method that applies here. Hope this helps you. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, please like, subscribe, and save it. Thank you for watching.